Okay, so it seems like people are having a lot of fun with Google's new Nano Banana tool. They are like making boys' night out images, and these are going absolutely viral. I mean, this one has 51K uh, likes. When I sent it to you like an hour, 2 hours ago, it had 25. So it doubled the likes. Just people loving them because they are funny. A lot of these people in this picture, they absolutely hate each other's guts, but it looks like so real. Like,
Why
look at
is
this.
why is Elon Musk always smoking?
Yeah, I don't know. People are he's not
Oh, it's
a
by the same
smoker,
person. Okay, probably.
probably.
Because
I
I'm
don't
guessing
know.
they probably had API access. They've got API access to Nano Bananas, so they're able to
Yeah, I
bypass
don't
the.
know. Maybe they maybe this is a meme people are doing. Maybe I'm too old for this. I don't know, but it's quite funny. So a bunch of billionaires, and this one, specifically this one. Like I look at this and I'm like,
You couldn't tell
how
me.
would I know that this is AI? Because with others, like with this one, the ratios are a bit messed up. Like not too much, but a bit, a tiny bit, or like you could figure out something with the charging thing. It's not really right, or whatever this is. Like you could find some details, but this one I genuinely can't. I'm like we were saying this about our grandparents. If they would see, they would think it's AI. Then we were saying like, well, our parents would think this is real. Well, I said it backward. Like if they would see AI, they would think it's real with parents. And now I myself, like I see this and I could not know. Because even like the height, I know like Elon Musk is quite tall. I don't know the height of the others because
But the clothing sense, like Sam Altman looks like, that's what he dresses like, and the
yeah,
leather jacket of the Nvidia CEO, I don't know his name.
yeah, Jensen, he always has this leather jacket. He's a cool dude.
He's cool. He's
Yeah,
cool.
he's cool. And here they are having like the party, but also the way they are all facing the camera is funny in a way. Anyway,
Okay.
or this one. I mean,
Okay.
look at this.
You need to see something.
Okay, I I don't know if I want to.
I don't know if you
No,
want to either. They've
I
taken
want.
some they've taken some liberties.
Okay, show me. I'm ready. Oh my god.
What?
What have you done?
I said put me and Kabaza in banana suits hanging out in a car park.
In a car park.
I
This is
mean, would you believe that's
it.
I
It
mean, I don't
looks like
believe you've ever had
us.
that, unless and they've interpreted your hair as your beard for some reason. But
Yeah,
that,
it mixes it a bit, but it's pretty good. And the
it's pretty
physics
good.
of the clothing, like I'm sitting and the banana cloth is on my. The physics makes sense. Like the stretching of everything, the
Yeah,
bending. It's still
banana,
using
banana.
the golden ratio, like the
Yeah,
one
there's
third.
definitely
Yeah,
it's definitely some consideration on the composition.
yeah.
But look, now it's you can see now upscaled. You can see the resemblance, but it starts to lose it.
Why do we have
Distance
the
a
same
bit when
shoes? I mean, we have the same outfit, so
yeah,
checks out.
we're dressed up for a pie.
But
Yeah.
even our shoes are matched.
So, it starts to lose its believability to here. But,
Yeah.
there you go. Wonder where we are. Where do you reckon we are?
Yeah, I don't know if it's even a real place.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.